you doing? You want it here?
Yeah, thank you so much.
You know, we're handing out turkeys and some of the trimmings to go along with it. There's in Houston, there's still a lot of need.
Thank you very much.
Happy Thanksgiving.
I will give you my phone.
Yeah, hold on one second.
There you go. Thank you.
There you go. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Look, this is the season of Thanksgiving, and many of us have been blessed to be a blessing to somebody else. And to see the lines and the people coming and how appreciative they are makes it all worthwhile.
Thank you.
It is a blessing because for me, I am a widow and I have my grandchildren with me. And it's just the cost of the way things are going now. Just budget myself. So it's truly a blessing for me and my family. We are very thankful.
You know, we have a lot of families out there that unfortunately are not able to get their own turkey, their own supplies for Thanksgiving. And so that's the reason why we're out here. I work for the Mayor's Office for People with Disabilities, and the disability community really needs this. And then this is why this is important.
Tammy, right here. Right
Here you go. Here's some extra food. Stay
Happy
warm.
Thanksgiving. Take care.
In the spirit of what Houston is in the holidays, I'm so grateful to the mayor and his team for organizing this in District C. My understanding is 600 families will have a free meal this Thanksgiving, and I'm also really grateful those that could drive here that are able to, we're giving them out, but our mayor's office for people with disabilities as well as our complete communities are actually distributing meals to those that may not be able to drive here.
We came out today because the Gatsby Hospitality Group wanted to do something to help our city's most under-resourced and underserved neighbors, particularly those in the complete communities. And so we came out to give away turkeys and Thanksgiving dinners because of their generosity, and we are very much appreciative of it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I live near a park where the homeless sleep, and now I'm going to feed the homeless. It's not even for me. It's for the homeless.
Help with the budget?
It sure does. Right now, it definitely makes a difference. Yes, thank you.
Courtesy of your mayor of the city of Houston.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Thank you. God bless.
Happy Thanksgiving.